Ah, you worked so hard out in the garden you had to break out the heating pad, huh?
Well, actually, I think it's a good idea for later, and I might just put it on my shoulders. But actually, this is a tip I have for you.
Okay, all right. How can that help us in the garden?
Well, I just got finished putting these geraniums into this flat, and I'm going to try to propagate them, which is very easy. Geraniums is one of those that is one of the easier ones to do.
And you just like clip little pieces of the active plant,
Right.
and then you're trying to just root them.
Yeah, what I did, I set up the flat first, put some newspaper down so the dirt won't go through, and then put the potting soil in. I found a broken branch, which is a good one to try to transplant, and then I cut them into pieces, stuck it in the rooting hormone, and then put it in here. Now, the important thing when you do that is you also want to cut some of the leaves back so it forces the growth down.
I see.
Now, if we just had this in a warm area, too warm, like maybe over 70 degrees, it might cause bacteria and fungus to grow. But what we're going to do with that nice heating pad, if you'll put that right there,
all right.
okay, is we're going to create kind of like a little incubator. Now, if you wouldn't mind putting that there too.
Oh, just kind of to separate it a little bit.
Right, just separate it a little bit. And so what's going to happen is that nice warmth is going to come through, heat up the soil just enough to help promote root stimulation, and pretty soon I'm going to have a whole field of beautiful geraniums.
And normally you would have this, I guess, inside, maybe
Oh, yes,
out of the way
very
somewhere.
good point. I brought it out here just to show you.
Great.